Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems on Twitter app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you'll find your updates, you can click to update your app in this blue sign, or you can go to uninstall your app to uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell, like and subscribe. See you next time in another